In manufacturing, packaging is a tricky operation because it is not easy to determine if it has been done properly once the package is closed. Human errors may occur in repetitive packaging processes, even with good working controls. For a supplier, it is crucial that the right items are placed in the right location in the package. Therefore, valuable working time is wasted on time-consuming follow-up checks and complex inventory controls. These processes can be simplified by using our solution powered by TRiMiTi. TRiMiTi is our AI-based software that uses cameras and other digital sensors to monitor content and order during packaging. TRiMiTi can detect all types of items to prevent product mixing during packaging. By that, TRiMiTi ensures 100% process control during packaging content and prevents time-consuming follow-up inspections and complex inventory controls. For more detailed information about TRiMiTi and other applications, please visit nexustec.de/TRiMiTi.